Hey, in this quick Gmail Mail tutorial I will show you how to direct incoming emails to a label on Gmail Mail. I will show you from scratch how to do it and also step by step. Now speaking of steps, the first step is to create a label, and if you haven't created the label before I will show you how to do it. If you have a look in the bottom left side of Gmail, here you can find the labels and I have many created. If you want to create one, press on this plus button and now you'll have to give it a name. Let's name it test label and now press on create. And my label has been created. Is like here. The labels on Gmail Mail are like folders on Yahoo or like folders on AOL Mail. Now once you have the label you can also personalize it. You have three dots right here, and if you want to edit the name you can press on edit, or also you can color it. If you go here above at label color, you can color it red, or I don't know, you can make it look nice. Now once you have the label, the second step is to create a filter, because with the help of a filter we can redirect some emails from a specific sender straight to a specific label, and in this way you will keep your email clean and organized. So that being said, for those who never created a filter before, we have to go to the settings. If you press on this gear icon and now select see all settings. Once inside here you have to select filters and blocked addresses and press on create a new filter. Here at from you have to enter somebody's email address. As an example, I will enter my email address from a different Yahoo domain. This is my email, and once you enter somebody's email right here whose emails you want to redirect into a label, the next step is to press on create filter, and as you can see you can do many things with the help of a filter, but we are interested in apply the label. Mark this on and now let's choose the label, and I will choose the same label which I created with you earlier in the video. And also I would like to select never send it to spam, because sometimes if you never send an email to somebody their emails may be marked as spam, so I'm interested in these settings as well. Now I'll press on create a filter and I can see it right here. If you want to delete it you can press on this one, but I will not like to do it. Instead I would like to go to my Yahoo email address, press on compose, and I want to send an email to myself. At subject let's just write email 1 and press on send, and now I'll go back to my Gmail. Let's refresh the page, and if you have a look now on the bottom left hand corner you can see at test label we have a 1 number, meaning we have a new email. Let's press on it and here is my email which I sent from my Yahoo. Also at the inbox you'll find this email marked with its label name in front of it. Now this was the first method if you never received an email from somebody, but if you already have an email from them in your inbox, this is much easier to do. As an example, this email which I have right here, we can see despite it's the same name, this is an AOL domain, and now I'll show you how to do the same thing, but much easier if you already have an email from them like I do. So what you have to do, just open their email like I did, and after that you'll find three dots right here. Hit those dots and now select filter messages like this. At from you'll have their email address, this is my AOL, and now select create filter and the same thing, apply the label. And now as a matter of fact let's choose a different label. Let's choose a work label and now press on create filter, and I will go really quick to my AOL email address, press on compose, and I will send an email from it, and at subject let's write email sent from AOL and press on send, and I'll go back now to my Gmail, and if I have a look now on the bottom left hand corner at the word label I can see that I received the email from my AOL. So this is how to redirect emails to a label on Gmail Mail. Thanks for watching and bye bye.